Welcome back to the channel. If your PC is a slow, laggy or struggling to run Windows smoothly, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I am going to show you an amazing alternative called Zorin OS, a lightweight, fast and powerful operating system specially designed for low-end PCs. In this step-by-step 2026 guide, I'll show you how to download, install and start using Zorin OS on your computer easily. And before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any latest updates. Now let's get started. First of all, click the first link from the description. It will take you to the official Zorin OS website. Here you can see that Zorin OS Pro is not free and you have to pay to use the Pro version because it includes extra premium layouts, themes and additional features. But if you scroll down, you will see Zorin OS Core, which is completely free and perfect for basic and normal use. In Zorin OS Pro, you get some extra features and customization options, but the core version is more than enough for most users, especially if you want better performance on a low-end PC. Now click the download button and the download will automatically start. Now click the second link from the video description. It will take you to the Balena Etcher website. Balena Etcher is one of the best and most reliable tools for creating bootable USB drives because it is simple, fast and beginner friendly. Click download Etcher and from here download Etcher for Windows. After that, if you want to use Zorin OS alongside Windows, dual boot, then this step is important for you. But if you are planning to completely remove Windows and use only Zorin OS, then you can skip this step. Right click on the Windows icon and click Disk Management. Now right click on the partition that has at least 50 GB of free space. You need a minimum of 50 GB free space to properly install Zorin OS and run applications smoothly. Click Shrink Volume. Now type how much space you want to shrink. For example, I will type 60,000 for 60 GB space. After shrinking, leave it as unallocated space. Do not create a new volume. The Zorin OS installer will automatically detect this unallocated space and install Zorin OS there safely. After that, run Balena Etcher as administrator to avoid permission issues. Then insert your USB device into your computer. Now select the Zorin OS ISO file that we downloaded earlier. It will automatically detect your USB drive. Then click Flash. It will start creating your bootable USB. This process may take some time depending on your USB speed and system performance. When it is complete, close Balena Etcher. Now restart your PC. Press F2 to enter BIOS settings. In BIOS, find the Secure Boot option. If Secure Boot is enabled, disable it because Secure Boot can prevent Linux operating systems from booting properly. Then click Apply and Exit to save the changes. Now press your PC boot key. Most PCs use F9, F10 or F12 as the boot key. If you don't know your boot key, you can search your PC or motherboard model on Google to find the correct boot key. Now select your USB drive from the boot menu. Click the second option that says Try or Install Zorin OS Safe Graphics. This option is safer and works better on most systems. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes while Zorin OS loads. From here, you can either try Zorin OS or install Zorin OS. I recommend trying Zorin OS first. It will not install anything on your computer and will run directly from the USB. This allows you to test performance, compatibility, and features safely. If you like it, then you can install it permanently. Now I will install it. Click Install Zorin OS. Now it will ask you to select your keyboard layout. I will select the default English layout and click Continue. You can connect to the internet, but many users may not have internet at this stage. So I will continue without internet. Now check the Install third-party software option. This installs drivers, media codecs and improves compatibility. But I will continue without it because it increases installation time. Now from here, if you are dual booting Zorin OS with Windows, select Install Zorin OS alongside Windows Boot Manager. But if you want to completely remove Windows and install only Zorin OS, select Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. Since I am dual booting with Windows, I will choose Install Zorin OS alongside Windows. It will automatically detect the free space we created earlier. Now click Continue. After that, select your country and time zone, then click Continue. Now set your name, username and password. This password will be used to log into Zorin OS and perform administrator tasks. After that, click Continue. Now it will start copying files and installing the system. This may take some time depending on your PC hardware, storage speed and USB performance. When installation is complete, click Restart Now. Now it will ask you to remove your USB and press Enter. Remove the USB and press Enter. Now you can see it shows both boot options, Zorin OS and Windows. Select Zorin OS. It may take some time on the first boot because the system is configuring itself. Now enter your password and press Enter. You can see Zorin OS is successfully and safely installed on my PC alongside Windows 11. If you click the Zorin icon, you will see the application menu, which looks very similar to Windows. This makes it very easy to use, especially if you are using Linux for the first time. You can see it has many useful features. For example, it includes Zorin Connect, which allows you to connect your mobile phone with your PC and transfer files, share notifications, and control your PC remotely. Now if you open settings, you'll notice the interface is clean, modern, and similar to Windows 11, making it easy to navigate. If you click Appearance, you can easily change your wallpaper, themes, and colors. Now click Zorin Appearance. From here, you can completely change the UI layout to look like Windows, Mac OS, or other styles. If you click Desktop, you can enable desktop icons and adjust their size according to your preference. Now open the Windows option. From here, enable Advanced Window Tiling. This helps you organize multiple windows efficiently. In the font section, you can change system fonts and text appearance. Now right-click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Here you can customize taskbar margin, border radius, transparency, opacity, position, thickness, and length. You can also make the taskbar transparent for a modern look. Now from the quick settings panel, you can easily control brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and power options. You can also enable night mode to reduce eye strain and switch between dark mode and light mode easily. You can even record your screen directly from here without installing extra software. This video is already very long, so I cannot explain every feature of Zorin OS here. But overall, it is a very lightweight, fast and powerful operating system for old and low-end PCs. You can even play many PC games smoothly with better performance compared to Windows on low-end hardware. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.